this island reminds me a little bit of Jurassic Park. So let's see what it looks like. Already this island looks super beautiful. The water is really blue. You can look down, you can see the fish. I'm really amazed at the rock formations as well. So super excited to be here. We got about 3 hours to explore further. Let's see what we can find, let's see what we can do, and let's have a good time. Wow, so many beautiful viewpoints here. It's really incredible. Now that is a beautiful lighthouse. Okay, we're now gonna walk down to the Forte Batista. Looks very cool from up here. Let's see how cool it looks from the inside. Good luck. You are very convincing.
To the green side.
Okay, here we go. How do you say in Portuguese? Let's go.
Like Cristiano Ronaldo.
Yeah.
Sí.
Yes! Oh, this is great. I love swimming here. And there they go! Woohoo! Woohoo! Alright guys, we just had a nice swim. Now we're walking here to this fort, a little bit higher, see what people are doing over there. Didn't expect to be in the water today, but I always expect the unexpected on these wonderful journeys. So let's keep it going. Kids don't mind.
95.
Yeah. Alright, there you go, Nelson. See! Welcome to Berlengas Islands, close to Peniche in Portugal. Having a good time here. Didn't expect to swim, but I met some lovely people. They introduced me to the wonders of jumping in the water like you just don't care. Woo!
Let's go!
Yes! It hurts my butt. Nice. So nice to meet these wonderful people here in Portugal. Enjoying life with the kids, having a good time, swimming in the water like they were always doing it. So something special indeed. Love it. Walking up is always a bit tougher than walking down, but we're almost there. Already made it to the top, and let's see if we can explore a little bit more of the island before taking the boat back to Peniche. Alright guys, this place reminds me of that movie, The Birds, because I'm surrounded by seagulls. I'm sure they're very, very peaceful. Okay guys, I'm very sorry, but no drone shots at the moment. There are way too many seagulls here and they don't like the drone. I don't want to upset the birds, I want to keep the peace. So no aerials, just gonna be me and you today. Hopefully you understand. No way we're gonna fly in here. Looks like we're running out of time. Boat is leaving soon. So we're gonna go a bit faster. Let's run back to the boat so we don't get stuck here on the island. We gotta run! Too late, as it always goes. Woo! Gotta catch the boat! I need to make it! Let's go! Woo! I'm out of breath. It feels good to be alive. Alright, here we are, guys. The end of the trail. Surrounded by seagulls, probably protecting their young ones. So, don't want to disturb them too much. You gotta leave nature be. You gotta respect it. Just looking over this viewpoint, how the water drips into the rocks. That's good enough for me. If you're ever in Peniche, please visit the Berlenga Island. You will find beauty that you will not expect. You can meet some friends, you can jump in the water, visit some old forts, be around nature, listen to the sound of the birds, how annoying it may be, and be one with life. So if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more adventures. We'll see you on the road.